Okay. Public Law 114-265 to award a Congressional Gold Medal collectively to the Filipino veterans of World War II, recognition of the dedicated service of the veterans during World War II. Be it enacted by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States of America in Congress assembled. This act may be cited as the Filipino Veterans of World War II Congressional Gold Medal Act of 2015. Dear Mr. Docdoso, this letter is to confirm your approval to receive the Filipino Veterans of World War II Congressional Gold Medal on behalf of Mr. Jose D. Docdoso Sr. Congratulations. All right, let's open this.